Okay, in my personal view of this paragraph, it has some point. First of it is natural science. A natural space can offer a lot of infrastructure for our social, like the river. A river can offer some water or that the biodiversity more. Yes. And the second is mm, the second is it costs lower than the infrastructure we have to build, and it is more effective and less impact to the nature. So it's really great. And the third is there are a lot of successful cases. We can do it by ourselves, or our government can do it by themselves. Just mimic themselves, and so we have to focus on the natural infrastructure and don't just let the environment worse. Yes.
Okay, this paragraph is mainly talk about the using nature as the infrastructure. The first thing they said is it have many kind of problem is come from the nature, like flooding or another thing, because when you are building or building some things, and the water will not easily to being go out, so they will let the floating water be serious. So they have said that if you are using this nature in the infrastructure, and it can let us make less problem, like when we have a flooding, the soil from the nature, it will go into the ground, and it won't be flooding. And they have another thing they think is the nature is very resilient. So when we are having things like when we are using the many kind of things like forest or another things, it can recover this loss problem will not be serious. And they have said that if we can, and we can also do preserve the nature, because the nature can help us to keep our environment.